Get strong.
12 years gone. As you know, we are still in the Dominican Republic, and I just bought this papaya. And look here, I peeled it, and it's the first I'm seeing a papaya without. You know those tiny black seeds? So I would just like to share it with you. See, I'm peeling it. It looks fresh and delicious, but it's the first I've peeled a papaya without seeing those tiny black seeds. Here, I'm not seeing any of them. Just the papaya itself. No seed whatsoever. Comment below and tell me what do you think. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. But as you can see, there is no seeds. Dominican Republic, papaya, that I have